If you are a busy mom or dad and are looking for the perfect vehicle to help you be on the go and just really stand out as well, then check out this brand new 2018 Dodge Journey. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So this comes in this blood orange color. It just really looks amazing. And if you get it, then you'll always be able to find your car in a parking lot. This also has a black top package, so it gives you all these black accents, which really contrast well with the bright color of the exterior. And then you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below to help you with visibility. And then looking underneath this hood, this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so nice and powerful and efficient. Then looking down at these wheels, these are 19-inch gloss black aluminum, so along with that black top package. And they're gorgeous. And then looking at your side mirrors, those are also black, and they are powered and heated. You also have keyless entry. Okay, so looking at these front seats, they are black cloth with this nice kind of textured pattern right there in the center. Super comfortable, and your driver's side is power adjustable. Then over to your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have your cluster controls and your cruise control settings on the front with your media controls on the back. And then looking at your 8.4-inch touchscreen media center, it's brought to you by Uconnect. You have your radio settings here, and you get a year subscription to Sirius XM radio because this is a brand new vehicle, and then after that you have to subscribe to it. Then here is your media, so if you want to put in a CD or something, you can right there. You can turn the screen off if it gets distracting, and then here you have your dual climate controls, so you can have the exact settings you want with your rear climate controls available to you as well. And then here are all of your settings. And this has a backup camera, so you can see behind your vehicle. It has those guidelines as well, so it really just makes it safe while you're backing up. Then you have your climate controls below here as well, with an SD card reader and a CD insert for your CDs and stuff. Then you have a 12-volt there, aux port, USB, and 2 cup holders in the front. And then you have your center console right here, and you have this, which can slide or be removed, and then you have more space down below with another 12-volt. Then looking up, this has this mirror, so you can have easy visibility into your back seat. So if you want to check up on your kids and stuff, you can. So let's go look at all those seats in the back. Okay, so there is lots to love in this back seat. You have a bench seat in the middle, so 3 passengers can fit in it, and you have your cup holder armrest that can fold down right there. But this also has a booster seat built in. So what you do is you just pull that out and it pops up. So both of these have it. There are certain requirements. You know, your kid has to be a certain weight and height to be able to sit in it. But instead of having to, you know, put in your booster seat every time you get in the car or have it adjust, you can really easily just, you know, pop it out and then you'll be ready to go. You also have 2 storage compartments down here on the floor, which are removable, so you can take them out, clean them off, but you can keep, you know, games or something in there for your kids while, you know, you're on long car rides and stuff. And you also have a 12-volt here in your climate controls up top. So these seats can either fold down or move forward. And so you have your 2 seats in the 3rd row. So yeah, 2 passengers and then a cup holder on each side for each of them. Then looking up top, you have your roof rack for your larger items. You have a lip spoiler, LED tail lamps, those are massive, and this has a rear sensing system as well, so that will alert you to any objects behind your vehicle. So, you know, if there's a person walking behind it, your vehicle or something, it'll alert you so you don't hit anything. Then looking into this trunk, you have some room right here, and this opens up for more space underneath. And these seats can also fold forward. So if you want to have that extra room, you can fold those down flat and really can have just an enormous surface for anything that you might want to put back here. So, I mean, all in all, you have that media center with your backup camera, those booster seats, and if you want to see this Dodge Journey or any of our other vehicles, visit us at WowWoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.